Well, hello again, friends and followers and ham radio type Drake aficionados. I finally got the crystal calibrator back in this radio. This is the second R4C that I picked up on eBay. And it's a decent radio, it's clean enough. I had to give this one extensive cleaning, and it's still got to clean up some residue of some cleaning solution I was using. But so I wanted to get the noise blanker on this. I'm sorry, the calibrator working on this thing. And when I got the radio, the calibrator was not fastened down. This calibrator was out bouncing around in the box. So I used JB Weld to put the 4 plastic pins back on the steel frame, and that worked out quite well. This JB Weld stuff is really good. So it is JB welded back on. I've since taken this thing off, and the crystal was broken. You could hear it rattling around inside. So I bought this crystal from eBay, and it's too low in frequency. I couldn't get it to go up. So anyway, I cannibalized this R4B calibrator, which I had laying around. I had bought this to fix my first R4B, and well, I fixed the crystal. I pulled the crystal out and fixed the insides of it, and that worked, so I didn't need this calibrator. And I thought, well, I'm going to pull the crystal out, so I did, and it's working fine. Would this crystal work in here? I think it would work. It'd be low in frequency. I will probably send this back to the eBay seller because it's low in frequency. Anyway, so that's about it. Happy with the R4C here with the calibrator now. Give it a quick little demo. It's working pretty good. There it is. And there we go. So on the evens, it's not so loud. On 25 kcs, it's real loud. So I'm wondering if this IC is blown up. This IC was getting hot a bit, and they use this to produce square waves, so maybe this thing's blown up. I don't know. I have a few more of these on order from Germany. Yeah, it's running a little hot, but I'll pop that out. When I got this thing, the IC was inserted there, but not the pins weren't connected. Some of them were out, so this thing's been mucked all around with by the previous owners or somebody, so it's finally working again. Not that it was that hard, but all this stuff just takes too much time. All this mucking around this stuff, it's just really time consuming. But I guess when you're done, you're happy it's done. And I don't know if you've really learned anything, but it's troubleshooting. You learn how to troubleshoot successfully and how to succeed in a basic endeavor. So that's about it for the second R4B. This one has the different mixers in it. It has the earlier mixers, the what is it? The what? The 6 SH6s. So bless it all. This one could stand some more cleaning. Yeah, I could actually paint this, get this thing cleaned up. But that can wait. I try and get these working in general at first and just get them to work and look kind of okay. So yeah, this one looks nice. It works nice. And it seems like it's stable enough. Of course, I don't have WWV on here. If I had WWV, I would make sure it's calibrated right. I just went by the signals on .75 here, which are FT8s. There's enough of those. They're probably pretty close. Of course, now they aren't transmitting. Here they are, FT8s. Right about there. You can hear them. So anyway, all calibrated. So anyway, pretty happy. So this receiver is nearing completion. Get it cleaned up, get it put back together. I think it basically works now. The newest R4B I've been working on, I got to put some potentiometers in that thing, make sure that the meters line up, and then I think it's done too. And that's going to be it. I'll put up a transmitting antenna and see if I can transmit in 40 and 20 meters and talk to people. And maybe get this room cleaned up because it's a bloody mess in here. I got to really clean this room after all this radio fixing. All this radio fixing causes a lot of mess, so I got to get it cleaned up. Anyway, thanks for watching. And stay safe out there. Have a great day. And cherish the American democracy. I'm really concerned now that we've had the insurrection a year ago, and we have to all come together as a nation and respect each other, respect our country, and obey the Constitution. Have a great day. Thank you.